Hey YouTube, once again we're here with the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. And does your trunk do this? Yeah, so my trunk will no longer stay up, so we're gonna see if it's a possible strut support lift problem. I have the parts right over here. This is the part number, and basically I ordered 2 struts. I'm gonna change one to see if that will take care of the issue, and hopefully get this thing working right again. Once again, disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic, nor am I hired or work for Hyundai or Genesis brand. I'm just an average Joe doing this for educational purposes and hopefully save some people some money with these kind of repairs. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove some pieces of the trunk to get to the strut that's back behind here. First thing you want to do is remove this weather strip, and you're going to see like 4 silver tabs that you're going to pull the liner down, and then you're going to have to remove the bag hook, which is a 10mm socket. So let's do that now. There goes one. There goes the second tab. There's the third tab. So basically it's just pushing it up and pulling it out. Okay. And now we're going to remove the bag rack. 10mm socket. Loosen the top and you just pull down. You don't have to pull it all the way off, just bend it down. And you can see the strut right there. Alright, so we're going to pop that off. Should be just a flathead screwdriver. We can take this rivet out. Flathead screwdriver here, and the back should pop off. Alright, so I already popped one head off. Basically, you just put the screwdriver in the little slot, you pull it out, and it pops right off. part should just snap off. There it goes, pops off. All right, now we're going to install the new one. You're gonna have to push up on the door a little bit. On the trunk, I mean. Stand it up a little bit. Try to push it on. Not the easiest thing to do, but we'll get it. Alright, so I was able to get the new one on. It's just a quick, that piece a little bit pain in the butt, but pop on a new one. Let's give the trunk a try without putting everything back together and see if that fixed the problem. Alright, it looks aligned. Let's go ahead and raise it up. Alright, looks like it's staying up. Let's try that one more time. Alright, here we go. Alright, there it is. It's working like brand new. Alright guys, so it's another video for the 15 Genesis. I know if you take it into a mechanic or a dealership, they're going to charge you a couple $100. Literally the part cost me like 30 something dollars. And maybe 5-10 minutes time total work involved. Once again, if you like this content, please subscribe and like this video. And I got another project coming for this car, and it's gonna involve this mirror right here. It does not fold, and I think I know what's going on with it. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. And once again, share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.